my shoes are for my nephew who has diabetes and a pre-existing condition and won't be able to get health care.
I put shoes here representing my children. I have children in their 20s and early 30s who cannot get jobs with insurance through no fault of their own. They've gotten education. They've jumped through the hoops that are supposed to make them middle class, and they can't get jobs with education. They're shut out of the system. And I think we need to get it done now. We need to have a public option for insurance for people who are being excluded or for young people who cannot get jobs that provide them with benefits.
These are shoes for people that don't have to go through what my mother went through. She had metastatic cancer, could never get covered by health insurance because my father owned a small business. It was too unaffordable, and I don't want anyone to go through what we went through.
Can we hear shoes?
And this is my daughter's friend's shoes. Her mom has cancer, and they don't have any health insurance.
You have to leave. This is our building, and you're not invited.
Well, my understanding is that this is the
Congresswoman's
Congresswoman's
office.
Biggert's building, which is paid for by tax dollars.
This office is paid for by our dollars. Doesn't she pay rent?
I have to call the police. Okay?
Well, hey, listen, all we'll do is we'll just have a statement. Okay? All right. Who wants to tell their story?
My shoes are children's shoes, and they represent a child who will lose her mother because she doesn't have health care.
My shoes are for the people who do have insurance and they pay their premiums, but they still can't afford health care because their coverage is so poor.
This is my husband's shoe that he still wears, that he likes, and he sent me with it because people are coming in and committing insurance fraud every day. Patients who had insurance and lost it in this long and deep recession. It's a shame. It's a terrible shame.
The shoe I left was Mike Kaepernick's shoe. He passed away. He had cancer and he didn't have health care insurance. And the other shoe is my mother's shoe. She has a pre-existing condition and I can't get health care for her. Get it done now. We should be a country that cares about and takes care of each other. Thank you.
Look at these empty shoes. They represent people who aren't here anymore. Get it done.
That's right.
We need health insurance, access to health care for everybody.
Say it loud.
Everybody in, nobody out.
Everybody in, nobody out.
Everybody in, nobody out. Everybody in, nobody out.